Welcome to cryptocurrency mobile mining and trading. Today we are going to check on TikCoin, and before we proceed, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with friends, and comment. If you have any question, please go and ask on the comment section. So let's start. This is our mining session going on, and you can see I have 13 hours 45 minutes to end my session. And when your session ends, you just tap, and after tapping to mine, you are shown the time in hours remaining before your next mining. So what you usually do is you come to bonus and power up. On this bonus and power up, there are ads you watch to boost the mining with, as indicated on each of these ads. You can see 7 hours more, you can see 5 hours more, you can see power up. Yeah? So when you watch these, as for now, I have no available ad to watch because I watched all. You can see the first one not available, not available, not available, not available. If it was available, I could just watch and you see bonus rewarded direct. So right now, I'm okay to wait until the next bonus is given. But the most important thing is to check if the mining session has ended and you click to mine. So right now we are going to go through the white paper of the coin. Let's start here. Introduction. We have introduction, project overview, why TikCoin network. Number 4, we have TikCoin utility. Number 5, we have social mining, technical architecture, tokenomics, roadmap, privacy, team vision, final one. So let's start with introduction about TikCoin. This is white paper. Since 2022, we've been building a social platform that rewards its users. Tik Network is a digital space where your voice matters and your engagement is rewarded through your native currency, TikCoin. Project overview. The name of the project is Tik Network. Token name is TikCoin. Development started in 2022. Mining has started on second quarter of 2025. Coin will be launched on quarter 4 of 2025. Platform, we have Android and iOS. Backend, scalable, self-hosted infrastructure. We have a target audience, digital natives and crypto savvy users. Number 3, we have why Tik Network. We combine social networking, blockchain, and fairness in one app. Users are not just consumers, they are co-owners of the ecosystem. Decentralization. No central authority controls user content or rewards. Get them right? Transparency. Clear and fair token distribution. Participation. Active users earn more. By being active, it means you are mining, you are watching ads, and such. So you are rewarded as per your activity. You cannot just sit down there because you're registered, you don't mine, you don't do anything, and you expect the reward. No, it will not come, my friend. So let's move on. TikCoin utility. And through activity like posts, comments, logins. Used for premium features, can support creators or projects. NFT content planned for 2025. Tradable on exchanges from 2026. After being launched on quarter 4 of 2025, to be tradable on Binance, Get.io, Mexi, among others. They will choose where to launch it. So from 2026, we shall be trading this. And for miners who have mined since it started, they will be able to sell right away with launch price, or else you wait until you are comfortable with the price, then you sell. Okay. Social mining. Mining starts in Q1 2025. The more you interact with the platform, the more TikCoins you earn. Daily usage, creating quality posts, engaging with others, participating in challenges, and bot system ensures fairness. Technical architecture. On technical architecture, we have backend, Node.js, MongoDB, Firebase. Blockchain, we have Polygon at launch on-chain by 2026. So it shall use Polygon during the launch. But with time, they will launch their own chain because it is a network token. It's a layer 1 token. So AI support, TIC network, AI friendly and motivating. We also have tokenomics. Maximum supply is 7.7 billion. Distribution 80% community mining, 80% team development, 5% partnerships, 5% marketing and airdrops, 2% reserve. Roadmap. 2022 was planning and concept. 2023 platform development. 2024 was testing and AI support. Q1 of 2025 was beta release. Q2 2025 was public mining launch. Q4 2025 coin goes live. 2026 NFTs, native blockchain and DEX integration. Privacy and security. On privacy and security, GDPR compliant policies which you have to comply with so that it can be legal. Public privacy policy linked in Play Store. No personal data selling. Yes. End-to-end encryption plan for 2026. Team vision. We are a passionate team for developers and community builders. We believe in better internet, one that empowers users. We believe in web that empowers people, not exploit them. The Tech Network team. Yes, this is a layer 1 coin, and we have a good hope that it will cook well because they will have their own platform at the end. Final words. TikCoin isn't just a token. Tik Network is just a social app. Together, they form a movement. Join us, mine TikCoins, and shape the future of social networks. So, what I believe in is that it shall be well with us, those who mine from early during such high mining rate, because with time it is halved. You can see here the future is bright. Let's go through this post here. The future is bright. It did not start at the current mining rate. It was very low, very high, sorry, and it was halved. So this is just the beginning. Stay active, stay engaged, and let's shape the next chapter at TikCoin together. We are building something powerful, and you are part of it. Thank you for being with us. The best is yet to come. TikCoin app being complete. It started with 1.45 tick per hour. It is now a half of that, which is 0.7 at 100k TikCoins, and the next halving will be soon. The moment they get the amount required for next halving. So let's have good hopes. TikCoin network, we are expanding. TikCoin is now on X. Follow us on X, TikCoin network, for latest updates. Behind the scenes content and exclusive announcements straight from the core team. Big news for iOS users. The official TikCoin app is now available in App Store. Start mining, stay connected, and be part of the revolution, all from your iPhone. So this must be good one. Why TikCoin? Why TikCoin has ads? And that's a good thing. I hate the community. We want to be fully transparent with you. The ads you see in the TikCoin app help us cover important costs like server infrastructure, app development, and ongoing improvement. In order to keep TikCoin running and growing, we need to reach a specific amount of revenue. We have no problem with watching ads because this will boost your mining rate. Again, it will give you more hours. I think you understand. Can I take you back there? When you watch these ads, bonus, power up, yeah, yes, you are given the first one here. You will see 7 hours more. This is 5 hours more. Watch this, it adds this mining rate on top. This was adding hours. This will add mining rate. So good for us, good to go. Please come in, start mining with us. Be a pioneer. Like the video, please. If you have any comment, please put it on the comment section, and subscribe to my channel so that you may not miss the next video. I beg to stop there. Let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.